Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing healthy plant material and getting action underway. Take scion wood from a vigorous tree and remove seeds or select clonal seedlings. Once done, pot seeds or seedlings into a sterile mix, apply a light dip of rooting hormone around the root collar to encourage root initiation, and place pots in a shaded misting area. Make sure to label each container and record parentage. This helps track traits later and prevents accidental mixing of varieties. Now focus on consistent root development and transitioning to stronger conditions. Keep temperature steady and humidity high so roots form quickly. Mist regularly, but avoid soggy soil that causes rot. Once roots reach 5 to 8 centimeters or a solid callus has formed, slowly reduce humidity and increase light over a week so the plant acclimates. Make sure to check for pests and fungal issues during this phase. Treat early with appropriate controls, because a healthy root system determines long-term vigor. Finish by grafting your chosen scion onto the prepared rootstock when both tissues are actively growing. Make clean cuts and ensure cambium alignment for a tight union. After grafting, seal and stake the plant, keep soil evenly moist, and protect the union from excess sun and frost while callusing occurs. If grafting fails, troubleshoot. Check cambium contact, grafting technique, timing in the season, and sanitation. Replace failed rootstock or regraft promptly to conserve the scion and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.